The NOx catalyst is a device used to reduce oxides of nitrogen to less harmful gases. Oxides of nitrogen, known as NOx, are a gas that produces photochemical smog. These devices can be used on lean burn engines, such as naturally aspirated diesel engines, direct injected petrol engines, and most turbocharged diesels. The NOx catalyst is used in conjunction with a two-way oxidation catalytic converter, because a two-way converter can't treat oxides of nitrogen. Some three-way catalytic converters also use an additional NOx catalyst, even though this type of converter can treat oxides of nitrogen. These are mostly used on turbocharged diesel engines due to the high combustion temperatures they create, which increase the NOx levels beyond a three-way catalyst reduction ability. The NOx catalyst can be mounted in various positions on an exhaust system. For example, before and after the catalytic converter. This depends on the type of catalytic converter or diesel particulate system fitted. The NOx catalyst can be used alongside a diesel particulate filter, known as DPF, selective catalyst reduction, or SCR, and AdBlue systems. We'll cover these in a future module. Let's take a look at the construction of a NOx catalyst. This device can come in many different shapes and sizes. Their construction is similar to a catalytic converter and can be a round cylinder shape and quite long as well. They are a ceramic honeycomb-based structure. The elements inside the NOx catalyst are platinum and rhodium and are purely a reduction stage. These are active catalyst materials and are used to convert oxides of nitrogen into nitrogen and oxygen molecules. Now, let's take a look at the function of a NOx catalyst fitted after a two-way catalytic converter. When carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons enter the system, they are treated in the oxidation stage of the two-way converter. The oxides of nitrogen simply bypass the oxidation stage because the active catalyst material in the two-way converter does not react with the oxides of nitrogen. From here, the oxides of nitrogen carry oxygen molecules down the exhaust pipe and into the NOx catalyst, where they come into contact with the active catalyst material, reducing them into nitrogen and oxygen. In light throttle conditions, most engines run lean. This reduces oxygen content, thereby reducing NOx and increasing the NOx catalyst efficiency. The NOx catalyst works more efficiently when the oxygen content is lower, as this will increase the reaction rate. This is where EGR systems come into effect. Exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR, and intake swell control are other emission systems that control NOx levels and reduce particulate matter. These systems can be used with other converters to further reduce emissions. The most common symptom of a failed NOx catalyst is hard to start or a no-start situation. The NOx device can fail in several ways. The collapse of the catalytic converter, where the material travels into the NOx catalyst, blocking the airflow, or pieces of converter puncturing the honeycomb structure inside the NOx catalyst. Overheating of the catalyst. This can be caused by excess fuel entering the NOx device, causing it to melt. As well as head gasket leaks, where oil or coolant contaminates the active catalyst material, preventing the materials from working, and particulate matter or soot, which clogs the NOx catalyst. That's the construction and function of the NOx catalyst. Even though it's a simple device, it's essential in reducing emissions to regulated levels. Understanding how the NOx catalyst functions will help with your diagnosis. And remember, keeping up to date with technology is essential in today's automotive industry. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.